Hey y'all, good morning. I know you don't know me, but my name is Lindsay and I'm about to hack my husband's YouTube channel. He went to the gym first thing this morning, so I thought it would be fun to troll him a little bit and do sort of a mock review of a car. My 2017 Ford Explorer is currently in the shop for like the 6th time. So I have a loaner car and I am going to do a review on the car just like I've seen my husband and all his little car buddies do about 100 times. So the first thing I'm going to do is flip this camera around. Alright y'all, so here she is. This is the 2018 Ford Fusion SE. Just take a look at those headlights. That is the stuff dreams are made of right there. Those wheels. I really think it does something for this car, don't you? Take a walk back here and have a look at the exhaust system. There it is, yep, it's round. I'm gonna hop in the car here, pop the hood, see what she's got under there. Alright, so here it is. This is a whole bunch of metal and plastic, as you can see. Pretty sure if it had a supercharger, it would go somewhere in here. Alright y'all, now I'm going to take you inside and fire this bad boy up, see what she's got. Oh yeah, listen to that baby purr. Take it for a little drive here, maybe do a 0 to 60 pull and see what she can do. All right, y'all, here we go. You can count it out for me. This is to the floor. Amazing power. Woo! Almost threw my head back there. All right, y'all, this car, she handles like a dream. She's a smooth ride. Very, very responsive. Just tool around here a little bit, get a feel for her. My husband likes to do burnouts in his Mustang, so I think I'm gonna see if my little Ford Fusion can do a burnout. What do y'all think? Y'all, that was my attempt here at a burnout in the 2018 Ford Fusion. Alright, now that I'm thinking about it, that probably didn't work because this is a front-wheel drive vehicle, but it was still fun to try, and I'll just have to do it in my husband's Mustang when he teaches me how to drive it. Alright, so that pretty much wraps it up here for my review of this 2018 Ford Fusion SE. In all seriousness, it is a good little car. It might not be the fastest thing on the market, but it handles well. It's pretty smooth. It fits a couple car seats in the back seat. I'm glad it's not mine, but you know, I can definitely drive it temporarily. If I were to get this car, I think the only thing that could really improve upon its performance is if I got a Whipple supercharger and a new exhaust system. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see y'all later.